Hi, welcome back to Inner Child Fun. My name's Valerie and I have Clara with me here today, and we just attended a really cool virtual event for media called
Sweet Sweet at Home. It's a really cool event where you can actually walk the showroom floor and see toy demonstrations and live demonstrations and all sorts of cool stuff.
Thanks to the Toy Insider for sending us a sample box of all the hottest toys this season. We're really excited. I can't wait to see what's in here.
It's a big box too.
It's so exciting. Here, I'll open it.
Okay.
And then...
Okay, there's lots of stuff in there. Oh.
You guys, this box is packed full with all kinds of toys. This is so exciting. Okay.
Ooh. This is a Beyblade Burst Ride Hyper Spear from Hasbro, I think. I know it says Hasbro.
Yeah, it looks like it's from Hasbro. Very cool.
I'm not sure if you can see that well, but...
And so you guys know, as we're not going to actually dive into each individual toy in this video, but coming up we'll have a series of videos of some of our favorites that'll be featured, and Clara can get into the nitty-gritty of each one. Yeah?
And like actually open them up and stuff. But that's not happening here. That's happening in another video, which will probably be in the description or somewhere else. So keep your eyes peeled for that.
Ooh, what's this?
Ooh, what is that? Ooh, it's a Kitten Cat Fae tote bag.
So Kitten Cat Fae was one of Clara's favorites out of the whole Sweet Sweet because they had their toy designers live and you could ask them all kinds of questions about their design process and how they actually created the products, which we really like. So thank you to Kitten Cat Fae. Oh, this looks like something you would like, Clara. Oh, because you like pirates. Look at this.
Johnny the Skull Pirates Cove. Ooh, what is this? I'm confused on what this is.
Oh no. This looks like it looks like a game?
I think that it's a projector and you have to use a special light to blast the ghost.
To blast the ghost. That's so clever. Oh, I can't wait to check that out. Ooh. Especially because I know how much you like pirates.
I do like pirates.
Look at that.
Ooh.
This is a Frisbee from Adventure Academy. Very cool.
It's a cool little blue Frisbee.
I see another favorite because I remember you and your sister making videos for...
Ooh, stick bots.
Look at that.
Nice.
Very cool.
It's a little blue one.
We don't have a blue one.
Yeah, it's some blue with black.
Oh, alright.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, how about a stuffed animal? Look at that.
Ooh, shoulderkins.
Wait, does it actually sit on your shoulder?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I see. So this is like, it has a metal base that you put underneath your sleeve and then they just kind of like stick there, I think.
Oh. Here, show the camera so we can
It's got a little tiger.
Do a little video on that later.
If you can see on the back, it has a little magnet or like
Oh, hello, Cat.
a metal base.
Cat's already getting jealous of your shoulderkins. This is
Hello,
Peanut.
YouTube.
Peanut does love to jump on our shoulders, but the claws make that not quite as nice as a shoulderkins, huh? Oh, this is another big trend I saw at Sweet Sweet 2020 was Playmobil's line of
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
Nice.
Thank you, Playmobil. Looks like, ooh,
Look at these. Trinity and Beyond. These look like charms almost. I think they're like figures that they're pretty cool. You can see all the ones that you can get in series one.
Oh, it's like a little blind pack.
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I can't see which one you ended up with.
Peanut is very interesting.
Oh, Clara.
Ooh, Calico Critters.
Yes.
A camping series. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. Nice. Look at all these fun little critters.
Calico Critters are some of Clara's favorite toys as well. She can spend hours playing with calico critters, making all kinds of clothes for them and all kinds of things. Let's try, ooh, Secret Crush minis. Ooh, we are seeing lots of candy themed toys, aren't we, this year?
This looks like a doll that you can put together. Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, I can't wait to check that out later.
Candy up there.
Does it say what ages that's for?
Let's see, 4 and up.
Okay, great. Awesome. Oh, I don't know what this is. What is that?
What will you put in your brain? That's what it says on it. What will you put in your brain? What is it? What is this? Oh, I've seen these things. They're like, it's kind of like a bubble wrap sort of thing. It's like,
oh, like a fidget thing?
I think so, yeah.
A fidget toy? Okay, that's cool.
Because it's big in here. Fat Brain Toys.
Oh, very cool. Oh, thank you, Fat Brain Toys. This looks like something you would like as well.
It says,
this is for ages 6 and up. Oh my GIF.
GIF. However you pronounce it. Okay, this is pretty awesome. I'm seeing a cat with laser eyes on the back, and I'm immediately interested already.
No way.
Cool. Oh. Hatchimals Collectibles. Cosmic Candy.
Wow. So Hatchimals were a huge hit.
Mm-hmm. So I think these are like smaller versions.
That's smart.
Nice.
You can take them with you anywhere.
Oh, these look really cute. Ooh, there's more kitties too. There's a whole bunch of them on the back, and they all look really, really cute.
We have a thing for cats and kittens in this house, don't we? Oh, speaking of cats and kittens, this is a puppy.
Ooh, it's like
Pound puppies.
Pound puppies.
So pound puppies were really big when I was a kid. And it looks like this is a throwback to the 80s, yeah? It says Classic 80s Edition. Very cool. Look, cat's already jealous. Pound puppies newborns, and it includes an adoption certificate. How cute is that? Aww.
I'm going to have to open this soon because it does not look very happy to be in that packaging.
No,
so
I don't think
we'll be
so.
sure to
we'll open that
soon.
I think the one I had was a all black pound puppy too. When I was a kid. Here's another puppy.
Ooh. This says Blue's Clues and You. I think I used to watch Blue's Clues before.
Blue's Clues, yes.
I think so, yes.
Blue's Clues is very
we have
popular.
Blue here.
I used to read a lot of the books from Blue's Clues.
Yeah. Remember one of them was about light switches or whatever? Cleaning up toys.
Oh. See, your cousin Ben really watches it a lot too, so that'll be super fun.
He's very soft. Very soft plush. Put him on top there.
I think this looks like something you'd enjoy too.
Ooh, Peanut. She's already
eyeing up Blue.
Ooh, so this looks like a figurine from Roblox. A Cristello the Crystal Goo. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah, so this looks pretty cool.
Very neat.
Nice.
Roblox is very popular, isn't it?
This looks really cool.
That looks like a lot of fun. What's the age on that one, Claire?
Let's see. 6 and up.
Right. Perfect.
Rainbow patches.
Playful pandas. Look at playful pandas. Let's see. It says laugh out loud. I laugh, wiggle, and roll. Teach me to sing. And it says I sing with my panda friends. How cool is that? So this is a neat little like interactive toy, isn't it? Look how cute he is. He's got his own little like shopping bag in there.
He has fancy heart sunglasses too. So what is this? Ooh, Project Extra Large poster markers.
Okay, I'll be taking those.
Okay, they are very big.
These are humongous. And look how bright and colorful they are.
They are pretty colorful.
All right, so I can see some future science fair projects using these for sure. All kinds of presentations. All right, I might be stealing these, just so you know. Just so you know. Okay.
What is this? The Upside Down Challenge game.
That looks impossible. What do they mean upside down challenge?
Whoa. That's weird. So
Wait.
it comes with little goggles, and so they have mirrors, so whatever you're looking at is upside down. So you have to, like, do things like pouring water from one cup into another is easy, but can you do it with the original flipped upside down?
No.
Or, like, high five the person to your right. Like, if you don't do it successfully first try, you lose a point. Draw a dog.
Oh, that looks like a lot of fun.
It looks tricky.
Let's see, ages 8 and up, it says.
8 and up.
Okay, so we need to test this out. This looks like a great family game night activity, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Draw a dog. High five the person to your right. Looks like there's 25 challenge cards. Okay, that looks like a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I see what you mean. Ooh, that is disorienting.
See,
No.
ooh, bubbles.
Good to know.
Ages 3 and up.
Okay.
So you just kind of do it like that and then blow your bubbles.
Okay, this is fantastic because how many times have you had bubbles that were in like a regular tube or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
And what happens?
Like they crack.
They
most of the
spill
time.
like all
Yeah.
over. Yeah, it's a
And-
mess. But
And most importantly, they crack. Like if you leave them in the garage or something and it's really cold.
yeah, kiss
then
them goodbye. Yeah,
yeah.
this looks like a much more practical way to
Mhm.
do your
And it's
bubbles
slimmer
take,
too, so
and
you can
take them
just
wherever.
put them in your bag.
And I'm guessing this looks like it can be hooked on a backpack or something
Yeah.
too. Very cool.
Cool.
All right, this looks like classic fun Slinky. Look at that, made here, the original walking spring toy. Okay, we have a really great set of stairs that's like perfect for Slinky. And cats will probably go nuts too, trying to chase the Slinky. But it's the 75th anniversary edition.
Whoa.
Slinky's been around a long time, but thank you.
Nice.
That's going to be a lot of fun.
Ooh, I think it's a jigsaw puzzle. 200 pieces. 'Cause it says on the back, jigsaw puzzle, 200 pieces.
Oh, cool. This one, oh, this looks really, really cool. It's like bubble wrap that never, ever runs out.
That's pretty satisfying.
Ages 3 to 10, and it's 1 to 2 players. Wait, is it a game or is it just
I think it's a game.
Okay. I don't know. Either way, it looks like...
I think I know what this is. I think, like, you're just trying to, like take turns popping it, but then, like, you don't want to be the last one
Oh, I
doing
see.
it. I don't know. And I do like how it's just this, like, there's no pieces that you have to try and keep track of. Or anything. It even says that on the back, no pieces to keep track of.
Yeah. That's
Nice.
brilliant.
Okay, this is very satisfying to do.
Yeah, I think it's going to be the kind of thing that we just never want to put down.
Like, even if we're not using it as a game, it's still really fun to pop.
And speaking of puzzles, and oh wow, how adorable is this from Kodak?
It's a little kitten puzzle.
Kitten puzzle.
And it's very, very cute.
That is perfect for us, isn't it? Right. We have been doing a lot of puzzles actually with quarantine and everything. Ooh, can't really tell what this is. What is this?
Magnetic foam blocks. Wow.
Okay, that sounds cool.
Nice.
Blockaroo, it says. Magnetic foam builders. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, it looks like it makes a critter. It says critter on there.
Yeah. We'll never know. I have to open that
Check
up.
that out.
Whoa, what is this?
Oh.
Pokemon Battle Academy?
I think this is the last, yep, the last one.
Okay.
Pokemon Battle Academy.
Oh, I see. This uses the Pokemon training cards. That's kind of
Ooh.
useful because I used to have a lot of Pokemon cards, but I had no idea how to play the game or whatsoever. No idea what to do with them. But now I might be able to put them to good use.
It says it's easy to learn, ages 6 and up. I know Pokemon's a big hit in this house. You guys love to even make your own Pokemon characters sometime. So yes, this is great. Big thank you to our
The
friends
Toy
at the
Insider.
Toy Insider and the Sweet Sweet 2020 at home event. We had a great time attending. It was probably the best virtual event we've ever attended
Mhm.
because it was so cool and we had a great time. And thank you for all the samples. We'll check these all out and give you guys details on them in the next couple days.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to. But if you don't want to subscribe, then you can check out our blog at innerchildfun.com. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.